Welcome to this video on the unique climate of Dartmoor National Park. Dartmoor is a national park that lies on the southwest peninsula of the United Kingdom. It occupies an area of about 1,000 square kilometres, 40 kilometres north to south and about 30 kilometres east to west at its widest point. And this means it occupies an area about the same size as New York City. Dartmoor consists of two high plateaus split by a central bowl. And whilst not mountainous, its highest points are well over 600 metres above sea level, meaning it's the highest land in the whole of southern England. Dartmoor is a truly unique geological feature, and it's partly responsible for some very unique weather, not only on the moor itself, but also in the surrounding area. In this video, we'll be looking at exactly how the climate affects the land, and in turn, how the land creates its own unique climates. I'm standing here on Litterford Tor, which is about 450 metres above sea level. Now, usually it would be wet, windy and probably misty. But due to an unusual high pressure system sitting over much of the UK and the North Atlantic, we have this crisp, clear weather today. Now, usually the high altitude and exposed nature of Dartmoor determines the more extreme climate conditions. Firstly, there's a direct correlation between the pattern of rainfall and the pattern of relief. That is the height above sea level. The southwest peninsula of the UK, which is home to Dartmoor, predominantly experiences a maritime climate, with moist air masses moving in off the Atlantic Ocean from the southwest. As this southwesterly airflow is forced up over the hills, it cools and creates cloudy conditions, which in turn give rise to higher levels of precipitation. This is a classic example of relief rainfall. It's not surprising that many of Devon's rivers rise here on Dartmoor, and that Dartmoor is also regarded as one of the most important areas for water in the southwest UK.